Hey everyone, so I'm going to be talking today about the Aveeno Active Naturals Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I have been using this lotion for years and I really like it. It doesn't really have much of a fragrance, so it's really nice to, because if you want to wear like a perfume, it's not going to mix with your perfume, any perfume that you wear, something like that, and it's just really nice for dry skin. I have. So it says clinically proven to relieve dry skin, moisturizes for 24 hours, fragrance free, and dermatologist recommended. It says that it has active naturals and soothing oatmeal, which I just really love this. So the description of this says this naturally nourishing, non-greasy lotion absorbs quickly and contains no added fragrance. The unique oatmeal formula locks in moisture to help prevent and protect dry skin, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and naturally healthy looking. And I really think that that is a pretty accurate description of this lotion. All body lotion, so I usually put it on as soon as I get out of the shower. It's really good to put lotion on while your skin is still damp because then it acts as a sponge and kind of just absorbs it even more, I feel like. It has all active natural ingredients. It's really nice. You've got, have a list of your ingredients. It has a list of your inactive ingredients there. Store at room temperature, apply as needed. Like, you can never put too much of this on. It has some warnings, just your typical warnings for external use only. Don't get into the eyes, what to do if you get into the eyes, keep out of reach of children, what to do if it's swallowed by accident, all that stuff. It's distributed by Johnson & Johnson. Yeah, it says, so Aveeno is just, I feel like, a really great product for your skin. No matter what kind of skin you have, you can find a product that is specifically tailored for your skin type, whether that's dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, normal skin, whatever. So yeah, so I really like that it has a pump. It comes in a pump bottle, and it also locks. So if you're like traveling, you can twist it, and then you cannot push it at all. It locks it, which is really nice because then you don't have to worry about lotion getting everywhere if you're going to travel with this. Which, by the way, it is a pretty large bottle. It's 18 fluid ounces, so you can't like get on an airplane with it, but you can throw it in your travel bag. And like I said, it has a handy little lock on the pump so that you don't have to worry about your lotion getting on everything, because that is the absolute worst, is your lotion spilling in your suitcase. Lotion, body wash, shampoo, or conditioner are like, that's like one of the worst things that could happen to you when you're traveling. You get to your destination and all of your stuff is covered in lotion. So that's probably one of my favorite features of this, to be honest, is the fact that it has that locking pump. It's just really nice. So yeah, it's a pretty easy to hold bottle. It's not, I mean, it's pretty big, so it lasts, like this size bottle probably lasts a good couple of months. So, which is really nice. It's pretty easy to just get a little bit out. It comes out pretty slowly, which is nice. I always like to make sure that I get the little whatever's left there, because then it just so that it doesn't dry and harden. So it's white, and it's just a regular lotion. And you just rub it in. Do it all over your body. I don't use this for my face, but I'm sure that you could. It dries pretty quickly, which is nice, but it doesn't have like a drying feeling. Like my skin feels, my skin feels so soft, and it really is fragrance free. I mean, it has maybe, I would say, it has maybe like a plain oatmeal scent, but it's not like bad at all. It's only if you like put your skin to your nose, like all up against your nose, and try to smell it, that's when you will smell that. But it's for the most part fragrance free. I like to put it on before I go to bed, after a nightly shower and or bath and go to bed. Like I said, if you wanted to use it in the mornings and you like to put perfume on, like, it's not going to mix. Like, if I put perfume on, I have to have either a completely fragrance-free lotion or the matching lotion because you don't want to mix scents. So this is a good one to hydrate your skin and then be able to use any perfume or body spray because the scents will not mix because this doesn't really have any scents. So it has a dimethicone skin protectant, which is one of the active ingredients that helps to moisturize your skin, and it's almost like a medicine for your skin. It's just really, really nice to use. Like, I definitely notice a difference when I go from using this a couple of weeks to not using it for like a week. Like, there's just a noticeable difference in my skin. I feel like I have really dry skin, and so like especially in the winter it gets kind of flaky, and once I found this product and started using it, it has helped so much with that. So this is always, especially in the winter, my go-to. And like I said, when I don't use it, I notice a difference versus other products, versus other moisturizing lotions. So I highly recommend this product, especially to anyone with dry skin. Even if you don't have dry skin, you can find other products in this same line, the same collection for your skin type. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.